Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff with MarketWiz.ai, and today we're going to talk about our new um, AI local ranker, which is built actually into our Google Maps AI ranker. And I'm going to show you that in a second. But first, I want to go over some stuff. Um, Sorry about that last screen. That was a tracked campaign um, with one of our customers. I'm not just trying to show off. And let me show you where that is. Where I'm just about to build the YouTube thumbnail after I create this video. But this is basically SEO product, although SEO is dying. But it's more like evolving. But um, it's basically a AI local ranker. It helps you get picked up in uh, ChatGPT results, Perplexity, Gemini, and yada yada yada. Right. Um, so let me show you how this works here. We basically optimize the AI answer engines, and we do it in a couple of different ways and strategies. And if you look on the website here, if you want to get a quote, we just need some basic things like your city and service area, and then like what services you want to rank for, like if you're a mattress store or if you're a real estate company or car repair or HVAC, whatever. If you want to specifically outrank a certain competitor, because this is where we can pull their data and see what how they're doing or what they're ranking for. But usually people have at least one or two competitors that they want to beat. And this is how we do it. AEO, which is answer engine optimization, AI overviews, visibility, local entity optimization, schema and citations. That's basically coding on your website pages. EEAT signals, we'll get into that in a second. But if you want to just check this out yourself, just go to marketwiz.ai and then backslash AI local ranker with dashes. And I have a PowerPoint presentation that I had prepared. Um, this is going to be like a very boring video, but it will make your business money. Um, I won't say side hustle because we don't take side hustles or like self-employed anymore. But if you have a business, it will make you money, but it is kind of boring to listen to. But um, so that's cool. Another thing about this is I think we charged like $50 for this or like $100. I know it sounds crazy, but everybody else is charging like 1,500 a month and people pay for it. I don't know why. Maybe I don't charge enough. Um, I don't know. I think people just get like pay a lot. I don't. It's once you have it set up in an automated way like we do, it's fine. Um, Anyways, what's inside AI local ranker? So this is the AEO structured content, so AI agents can cite you directly. Um, Generative engine optimization, entity and knowledge graph. And again, you could read all this on the website. What it does. This is part of the uh, page page structure data right here. That's very important. You might want to look that up. That's one of them. One other thing we like to do is we help out with your Google business, Google My Business. We do AI powered authoritative citations. And I'm going to show you results of a client that's doing all this just so it makes sense after I do my cool PowerPoint presentation. Answer briefs. So these are neat as well. These are important. Make sure your keywords are on your reviews. That's been going on for 5 years though. AI visibility tracking. These are just like doing test searches. Um, this is how it works. Audit, blueprint, implement, reinforce, measure, optimize. Who is it for? Local service brands. I mean, it's really a big thing with anybody with either two types, right? Home services or anybody with a physical address. If you're a furniture store, hotel, a car dealership, RV dealership, you definitely need this because if you're ranked on the first part of the searches, whether it's AI or maps or traditional SEO, which is dying, and I'll show you the numbers behind that. But you need this because you're going to get crushed by your competitors. Um, a lot of the higher, even though like the marketplaces and the social media is gaining a lot of traction, A lot of the higher ticket people with, with like money, as you'd say, still they're doing a lot of search still, and a lot of it is on, like AI now, marketplace search, and still, Google Maps and Google search, right? It hasn't died yet. Um, and another one is, so this is like HVAC, plumbing, electricians, local retail, mattress stores, appliance stores, furniture stores, car dealerships, RV dealerships, all that stuff. If you have a physical address, you definitely want this. Multi-location and franchise, you got 100 mattress stores, you got 100 car dealerships, whatever. Agencies, we're working on this right now where we're doing reselling. We're going to have some, most of our people that want to use us are like agencies, I guess. So we're going to try to have like specific packages for agencies. It's not going to be any cheaper. That's not how we work. Everybody has the lowest, fairest price, no matter what type of company you are. But just things like geared for them, like offerings, not not any price breaks. We got some reviews here. We've got some basic little packages here. And again, these are like the higher prices. If you just bundle them with any of our local AI marketing packages, it's like $100. Um, I don't know how you could even do it for $100, except the way we did it. So, and how we did it is an extremely powerful automation, which you'll see one of our results, and it's on a server as well. And I don't know like 100% because I have a team. I'm just like the face of the company, but we have about 20 different people working, different departments. Product development, app development. We have three different website SEO teams. We have like three Google Maps teams. We have two Shopify teams for big e-commerce stores. And then the main one is our AI, you know, lead generation packages, which we have the best marketplace packages and, marketing systems in the world, basically, or country. I can say world, but it sounds kind of silly when I say it, but whatever. What's the difference between these? Then it goes here. Do you optimize my Google business? Yes. Google Business GBP or Google Business Profile is a core local signal that AI engines pull data from. Can you guarantee placements? No one can guarantee it, but yes. How long until results? It's like a few weeks. No, this is for local intent, but you can do like franchises and national brands. Like you have like 50 stores, 50 real estate places, 50 car dealerships, 50 mattress stores, whatever. Works really good with that. Get cited, get chosen, win local AI search. Cool. Okay, now let's jump into this one. Just gonna go in here. AI local ranker, monthly domination package. Get your clients ranked. Okay. So the problem, traditional SEO is dead. Customers now ask AI assistants for recommendations instead of clicking blue links. People don't like clicking blue links really that much. They really don't like paid ads. And this is nothing against paid ads, but it kind of is that people don't want to click ads. Do you want to know why people don't want to click ads, paid ads? Because they know it's going to be double the price for the same product. Sorry, I said that. Oh, that was what was that? All right, here we go. Your clients are invisible. If if you're not appearing in AI search results, you're losing customers every day. Competitors are getting there first. If you're not ranking high, your competitors are getting all the action, all the sales, all the phone calls, obviously. The solution, this ties into our Google Maps ranker. Like I'm going to show you an example of a client in a second. Proven 4-week framework that goes every 4 weeks. It's monthly and keeps building you up with you get 2 reports every month, and I'll show you what that looks like. First week, what we're going to do is the AI visibility audit. We're going to run 10 to 15 AI searches in ChatGPT, Gemini, for Perplexity, Perplexity screenshot where client appears versus competitors, calculate AI visibility score percentage, deliver visual intelligence report. This is a client, a clear value. They see exactly where they stand. This is you, obviously. Content schema deployment, create 3 answer briefs targeting AI prompts. HVAC company in Dallas. Deploy schema markup on key service pages. That's done by our AI, and you could see it. If you look in the code inspector, you'll see that that's completed if you really want to be nitpicky about it. But you could see all the which pages have that schema markup language. Optimize your GMB or GB, whatever Google Business. You could call it GBP or it used to be GMB back in my days, a long time ago. Add fact schema to capture more queries. And that's like adding, like you saw in our page, the FAQ, doing that, but with local intent, which AI picks up. But there's some more powerful options we're going to get into here, which is authority building. I called it authoritarian building last time. Build 5 to 10 citations on AI trusted directories. That's really key. Is that there's programs like Yext. This is essentially the same thing, but a lot better because AI does it. And you're saying, well, why is what does that mean exactly? Well, I could tell you that. So with Yext, they're just going to do like your business name, address, and phone number. It's called NAP or NAP for short. With our AI system, it's going to find all the keywords. It's going to keyword stuff like their top 15 keywords and build a whole citation listing with all the keywords using AI. So it's going to get more clicks, more phone calls, more sales, more power, more link juice going to your website. Um, and you could look down here, add 3 to 5 Q&A entries, Google Business Profile, which helps. Results and reporting, rerun AI visibility, track AI referral traffic. I mean, that you could do that in the Google, um, um, right here, Google Analytics. We can install that code on your website as well to see where the traffic is coming from. Report GBP. I keep thinking GMB because that's when it came out, it's called that. But create next month's target prompt strategy. Okay, clear roadmap to continued growth. What clients see before not appearing in AI searches. Competitors getting all mentions. Zero AI referral traffic. You want AI. AI referral traffic is just as good as like Google search traffic. So sometimes it's even better because they're really well informed at that point. After 30 to 60 days, cited in Chat GPT answers, appearing in AI overviews, measurable AI traffic, increase, screenshots, prove visibility, results they can show their boss. Fancy, huh? So this is some simple pricing. The starter is $497. If you get it with any of our normal packages, it's like 99 bucks. If you want to do some multi-locations and just this alone, it's under $1,000. But that's not 1,000. It's like 1 or 200 per location, right? That's pretty much cheaper free. If you're nationwide, we could hook it up in a way where we do like say you got 20, it's $100 each. You got 20 locations. This is just for the whole shebang, as they say. You could just do like 20 different locations and just have 20 credit cards at 99 bucks a month if you want. It doesn't matter. We're here to be the best and the most affordable. If I were a business owner again starting out, and I would like see market was AI and say, hey, yeah, you could try this for 99 bucks before you pay for Facebook ads for 3,000 or 2,000. I would say, yeah, let me try the thing for like 100 bucks, or grab one of our AI lead packages for 300 bucks or 399. I would start with 300 and not 3,000, but that's just me. I would, do that. And then another thing, just like a little side note quest here is that if you're doing any paid ads, spending any money, you need to track everything, whether it's um, it kind of goes down. Conversions, number one. Calls, number two, valuable because you could track all the calls and you could hear if they're real, obviously. So those are obviously sales. They're going to happen. And then number one would be messages, right? So and you need a way to capture messages. So we have this marketplace CRM connector product that you can see on our website as well that does that. But anyways, Spend $100. Don't spend 5,000. Okay, that's my secret today to tell all of you guys who just want to look at this and not sign. Start small and then get bigger. You don't want to be in a position where you're paying 5 grand for rent and then you're losing 5 grand a month in like paid ads and you're making like 5,000 in sales, obviously. So you know, stop losing clients to AI invisibility. Give them weekly progress, measurable results, and proof that they're dominating AI search. Start today. If you go to our website here, and the AI search revolution is here, get them ranked before their competitors do. So that's that. Hopefully that helped you learn why your business should use this somewhat. If it doesn't, sorry. Let's jump into an example now of a report of a commercial painting company because we said that this works great for bigger home service companies and uh, like places with a physical address. So this is where are we going here? Okay. So this is a commercial painting company. And you're going to see keywords right here. And they're like painting companies, deck painting, commercial painting, best painting, painter near me, painter, whatever, right? And you're going to see that we started at rank 22 with this client. Now we're ranked number one. Okay. It is November 7th, so this is like older report, 2 weeks older, 3 weeks, but you can see best painters. We were not in SERP results, also known as search engine results page. Now we're number one. Um, I don't know where we started here. This was four, now we're one, four, we're one. 27, now we're number two. That's a huge jump. 11, 2, 9, 2. Not in any results. Now we're number two. I mean, this is page one, spot two on page one. So these are all page one. This is page one, rank one, page one, rank one, page one, rank two, page one, rank three. So this is like page four, rank 23. Now we're on page one, rank three. So you can see where this is going. And this is a lot of money this person's now making, or more money. Maybe not a millionaire, but they're making money. And then our new tab is going to have AI engine, AI results answer engine. That's being added because this is a new product that we're launching. And this is just keeping up with the Jones, as they say. Like search can be this new thing in 10 years. We'll just make a product for that when things change. Um, so we're just keeping up. So, and this is kind of like part of what it does. So we're going to, just like our marketplace software or program or AI program, whatever you want to call it, um, it's going to post essentially ads, it's going to post content, ads, listings, citations, whatever you want to call it. They're all pretty similar. It's just data filling out a page and then clicking publish, basically. As funny as that sounds. But you can see here, we've got these highly ranked, for the most part, domains and pages that we're posting to, right? And we've got our titles, looking for expert commercial painter, looking for deck painting, looking for trusted, and you can see these correlate with these rankings. The landing page is the Google Maps, which I obviously don't show that. It's a real client. I don't own a commercial painting company. Live URL is here. So, and this is the report you'll get twice a month. So you'll see all the work that we're actually doing or our AI is doing, but it's work being done. If you want to look at the login, there's the password, which whoopsies. And no big deal. We've got the Web 2.0, article submissions, article URL. These are all working tabs that you could check out all of our work that we've done for you. And this is how your rank goes up by all the work we do for this. And we're going to have a new tab here, AI local search, which is going to go after more, like we talked about in the other two things, building your rankings on ChatGPT, Perplexity, and basically all of them because it's geared to let the AI crawlers more, readily available find your, business online. Um, if you have any questions about this, just go to marketwiz.ai and book a call with us. And again, this is Jeff with Markowitz. Thanks for watching this and have a nice day.